your name? What's your name? Say hi. Oh my God, there he is. Hi, how do you sawadika? They are so cute. Okay. Take a picture with us. Hi. How? Sawadika. Thank you.
Hello everyone, welcome to May Vlog. So ayan, for today's video, we are going to take massage. Since me and Urabuni is a little addicted with massage, so now we are going to try the real Thai massage here in Thailand. So ayan, let's go! Let's wait for our turn. And now it's our turn. So first, we took foot massage. So it takes like an hour. and it costs like original it's like 300 baht. It is like 500 in peso. Since they have like a promo, so we just need to pay like 150 baht. So it convert in peso like 250 pesos. So ayan, by the way, I'm gonna take also a Swedish massage, another 1 hour. So ayan, they let me change short that what I'm wearing, like a black one, for my Swedish massage. So ayan. Oh, ayan, napa-request tuloy ako na ipa-off yung fan. Kasi naman, ang lakas ng aircon, and then may fan pa. So, ayan, pwede pa off na lang. Thank you.
Kitty pala 70 na. Are you from?
I'm from Korea.
Korea. Why?
Where are you from?
Phuket na.
Phuket ka.
Phuket ka. Comment na.
Do you think where is she from?
Singapore.
More?
What else? More country. Nothing.
โทษทีพี่พอดีโรงเรียนหรือว่าอยู่ในตัวจังหวัดภูเก็ตนะพี่แล้วว่าโอ้โห
She confused. I'm from Yuping.
หมู่ขวางเนี่ยเดี๋ยวเขาจะมาส่ง
Okay, show you my face.
จ้ะเดี๋ยวหนูโทรหานะถ้าเสร็จเรียบร้อยแล้ว
เวียดนามเหรอ
Huh?
เวียดนาม
Vietnam?
เย้ใช่นี่เหรอ
No.
อย่าบอกนะว่าโคเรีย
No Korea.
No. Maybe you don't know our country. I'm Filipino.
โอ้เซมเซมสิงคโปร์เนเนียไทยแลนด์
Thailand and Philippines almost.
yes ปีน
เหมือนคนไทยเลยนะลูกไร้ไทยแลนด์
I see you Thailand baby Thailand
Look what I'm Thailand also.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will all be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays. Way back a year ago. I'm not falling. I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows. And we're all going live, still nobody knows. But I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays. Way back a year ago.
So that's all for this video. So hopefully you enjoy watching. So thank you everyone. Please like and subscribe for more videos and updates our journey here in Phuket, Thailand. Kukun ka!